I'm here to demonstrate how insurers can leverage Guidewire's open APIs to access whole new customer pools with embedded device protection insurance, including a frictionless customer experience that's woven directly into the purchase of consumer products from major retailers. And then I'll show you how our Guidewire Go product templates can help you enter the red-hot market of pet insurance, lightning fast, all using the capabilities built into our Dobson release with full support for the entire insurance lifecycle from quote all the way through to claim. But first, the basics. Embedded insurance is coverage that's offered with the purchase of third-party products or services. It's the travel insurance offered when you book that Norwegian cruise, the Apple warranty with your iPhone, or auto coverage to go with that spiffy new Tesla. And according to McKinsey, up to 25% of all personal lines premiums could be generated through embedded insurance ecosystems by 2030. For auto, that figure could reach 30%. For travel and personal liability, it could top 50% or more. So let's look at how you can use Guidewire Cloud to start profiting from these trends today. The demos that you'll see today, they leverage Insurance Suite, Digital, and Guidewire Live Predict. He may leap tall buildings in a single bound with his buddy, the Bear Wonder, but Super Charlie's ready for a real-life sidekick. Looks like a job for Mighty Mom. A quick trip to the Phantom Zone, and our dynamic duo choose the perfect super pup. Or rather, he chooses them. Back home, crypto's raring for action as a wonderful new adventure begins. But with her Mighty Mom senses tingling, Laura decides she better keep tabs on her pint-sized superheroes. And here's what happens next. When Laura pulls up Chevy.com, she zeroes in on the premium GPS-enabled Halo collar from the dog whisperer himself. At a whopping $800 for the collar, Laura opts for the warranty coverage from Future State that's offered at the point of sale. Laura adds it to her order. She checks out. She fills in the payment details and then completes the transaction. Policy Center provisions her coverage automatically. Device protection, it's issued and it's in force. Guidewire orchestrates the entire process by connecting the core with Chevy's front end via open APIs. It's true. Selling embedded insurance can be that easy with Guidewire. But the opportunities, they're just beginning because one of the industry's fastest growing segments is pet insurance. Between now and 2025, revenues in this market are expected to double to nearly $6 billion. By 2030, 60% of premiums from pet insurance will be generated through ecosystems like the embedded insurance scenario I just showed you. Now that Laura's a customer, Future State can start cross-selling her other lines of business, such as, yeah, you got it, pet insurance. Enter Guidewire Go. To get to market fast, Future State leverages the Go product template for pet insurance. To get started, just go to the Guidewire marketplace and search for pet insurance. And then download the file. On your desktop, open the file. And the template provides a visualization of the entire line, coverages, limits, deductibles, exclusions. It's all here, including vet coverage. Now, upload the template into Policy Center's APD app, We import the entire product definition for pet insurance. Then, instantly, the entire definition is generated automatically. Again, everything's here, including vet coverage. Now Future State has everything it needs to start cross-selling pet insurance to its existing warranty policyholders like Laura. So, after her warranty purchase, Laura receives a text message from Future State offering her pet insurance for just 15 bucks. Laura taps yes and purchases pet insurance right from her mobile, complete with a breakdown of the premium and also the coverage and what it covers. Policy Center guides all of these interactions and layers pet insurance onto Laura's account. See? The newly added pet policy and the existing device protection. Best of all, carriers, you don't need to go to an insurtech to do any of this. You can do it all with Guidewire and the capabilities built into our Dobson release, which is all pretty cool, right? But the awesome doesn't end there. Since we are an end-to-end solution, the value chain goes from quote to bind to a blockbuster claims experience. Let's get back to Super Charlie and crypto to learn more. While our little super friends are saving the world, the Bear Wonder is captured by an evil genius and strapped to a rocket using crypto's own collar. Mighty Mom leaps into action when she receives an alert that her dog is in Vegas? What? Okay. Well, apparently the Bear Wonder and Halo Collar really are here in Vegas with us. I'm a little busy, Dana. Can you take the Bear Wonder? Thank you. Woo! Laura's relieved when she quickly locates Super Charlie in crypto, but the Halo Collar is long gone. Does that mean $800 down the drain, or can Future State save the day? Let's see what happens next. Mighty Mom receives a text from Future State. Is crypto okay? She responds, yes, but his collar broke. Future State asks, would you like to submit a claim? A few questions later, and Laura's replacement Halo is on the way. Claim Center orchestrates the entire process from intake to payment with zero human intervention. And since Guidewire ingests all that data from the collar, Future State can add more value by reminding Laura when it's time for crypto's walk. And Laura can access her Future State digital account through any smart device to review her policies, make changes, or even submit another claim. She can even check on crypto's activity levels and the paths they took on recent walks and more. These are all native components from the Jutro component library, accelerating digital development. Future State can even compare crypto's activity against benchmarks for the breed. And by leveraging Guidewire Predict with analysis displayed in Policy Center, the insurer can fine-tune Laura's renewal to deliver truly fitted coverage. Now, put these demos together and you begin to understand the power of embedded insurance as well as the cross-selling opportunities it opens up downstream. Instead of the customer being forced to find coverage, personalized coverage finds the customer. In the examples I've shown you, Guidewire combines core, digital, and data to help insurers gain a competitive edge in a pair of booming markets, faster than a speeding bullet, or in this case, faster than a teddy bear strapped to a rocket.